smells like there's a storm a-coming. You can feel the humidity kind of raised and everything. This is the time of year where we get monsoon rains. We live on a side of a hill, which I don't know if this does it justice, but it's pretty slanted. And so this is what I'm doing to kind of prepare us for the rains. See here, I'm digging these swales. The goal is just so that the water comes and basically beads off. So that way we don't end up with a soupy situation under our RV. And I had to do the same thing. I have some little couches and everything where I kick it when I'm working. It's gonna keep me out of the rain. The backside, I had to dig some little swales and stuff, as you can see right there, just to keep the water kind of beating off of our living areas. Stay dry.